Good afternoon, girlie.
Good afternoon po.
Please introduce yourself.
Um, Hi, good afternoon. My name is Girlie Diuro. 24 years old. I live in Taguig City. I'm looking for a job.
And you want to work in Hong Kong. Why?
Yes, ma'am. I want to work in Hong Kong because it's a beautiful place and I think it can help me better to help my family and myself. And I really need to work hard.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Single. What if your family asks you to come back home to be with them while you are in Hong Kong? What will you do?
I think if I have more money, I can bring them. I will get them a boarding house or something if they want.
First time to work abroad, right? If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I'm not feel homesick because I have so many experience here in Philippines. For almost 9 years, I work different people and study while working.
Can you name electrical appliances or kitchen appliances you know how to operate?
Computer, cell phone, telephone,
Kitchen appliances.
kitchen,
Microwave oven, do you know how to operate those?
yes, ma'am.
Washing machine.
Yes.
Before doing your laundry, what will you do to the clothes?
First, need to wet and separate the different colors according to their colors.
If you find some money,
Yes.
if you find some money inside the pocket,
I will get the money and